Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. So my last video I shared the resin because tons of you use resin. Now I had a few people message me for some wick kits, some candle making. So I found this deal and trust me, you're going to want to see this. But before I get started, I just want to remind you, I do have a separate YouTube channel for these Amazon requests and Amazon deals that I post daily. And I also have a Facebook group where I just post nonstop throughout the day. I'll put the link to the YouTube channel and the Facebook group down in the description. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Trust me, this video might help out a few of you. This is the candle wick kit we have here. Here you get 100 pieces of candle wicks. You get the stickers and you even get the little clips there. It's price dropped down to $5.99, but we're not even going to pay that. We're going to put in a code and drop it down to $2.99. Remember, I'm going to put the links and the codes down in the description for you, so it's an easy click. And be sure to join my Facebook group. Trust me, you're going to love it. And yeah, can't wait to see you there. Love you all. Bye.